I'm willing to bet that if you walked outside right now, you could find 2 or 3 or 4 different things on your car, your truck, your SUV, on any vehicle that you own that make it specific to you. These things on our vehicles could be something as small as stickers, all the way up to, like, if you owned a truck, maybe like lift kits, tires, suspension kits, things like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly what we're talking about today. You see, mostly everybody changes their vehicle after they purchase it. It's how they know it's theirs, you know what I'm saying? It's how they know it's theirs. For all of you guys that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. I work at a Buick, Cadillac, and GMC dealership, and today we're gonna talk about some GMC accessories, specifically for the new body style. So let's get it. Before we talk about the Sierra accessories, I want to show you guys some common accessories on most new cars. These 2 Encores just came off the truck this morning. So here's some common new car accessories, things that we add as consumers when we buy our cars new. All-weather formats, rain guards, painted or body colored mirrors, chrome handlebars, running boards, bug shields, and then last but not least, wheel upgrades. Yes, all of those accessories that I just mentioned, they're all still available on the GMC Sierra. There's this new accessory, this brand new accessory that just came out for the new body style trucks, and I'm fascinated by it. I love this new accessory, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So yeah, so now you know the common accessories. Let me show you the new accessory. Just stepping the game up. GM's just stepping it up. This is not an unboxing video. It's not an unboxing video, you guys. We're just banging jams today, you know what I'm saying? We're just banging the jams. In order to get to the boom, we gotta turn the boom box, the big boom box, we gotta turn that off so you can actually hear what the good new boom box sounds like. So what this is actually a Bluetooth kicker speaker, and General Motors kind of kicked off with those guys. They got it implemented into the tailgates of these new trucks. Let's check it out. It works off auxiliary input or a USB port if you're gonna wire it together. And then it also works off of Bluetooth as well. So yeah, so Bluetooth will hook up through the truck and then you can run it right down to the speakers if that's what you're liking, or you can hook it up to smartphone or iPad, which is what we got going on. Yeah.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. Ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
About $995, you guys can have that set up on any new body style tailgate. I guess Chevrolet has the same thing. Kicker, $995. Sounds freaking awesome. I could turn it up just slightly, just a little bit louder. It's the middle of the showroom. I can't be doing that all afternoon. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. My name is Cody Reed. Every single week I'm giving you guys new videos. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate it. See you guys later. Bye.